Cutting-edge scientific research to biohack autism has only just recently begun. Scientists and practitioners are undertaking brand new technologies as well as using clinical trials to better understand what is effective and appropriate for children and adults in order to improve their condition.
Some of the other studies that are being done are MRI studies that are looking at brain development and what areas of the brain are impacted. So is it the sensory area of the brain, the area of the brain that focuses on vision or that focuses on touch?
The brain and some dysfunction in its development is a good starting point, with current research on brain cells in the field of regenerative medicine and stem cell therapy.
Everybody has heard the term stem cells, and there's a definition for what a stem cell is. It's a cell that can regenerate itself, it makes more copies of itself, and it can give rise to some kind of adult tissue. There are stem cells that live in our bodies that do exactly that. They make more copies of themselves, and if they're in your brain, they can make some more neurons. We're also working on therapies for multiple sclerosis, which are stem cell based, and we are working on autism, which is really challenging.
By looking at properly developed brain neurons and comparing them with brain neurons afflicted with autism, treatments to counteract deficiencies could theoretically involve implanting normal brain neurons and other cells grown via stem cell therapy that could ultimately replace damaged cells.
I'm not guaranteeing there will be a stem cell therapy, but we can study autism, the development of the brain from autistic brain in a culture dish, because we can take skin cells from people who have autism. We can put those cells into a culture dish, and we can make the brain cells develop in a culture dish. We can find out what's wrong. We can figure out how to fix it. So these are early days, but you can imagine the uses for this kind of stem cell on autism are only limited by our imaginations.
Other alternatives are available, ranging from hallucinogenic drugs to stem cell therapy, and even neurofeedback procedures and other non-medicated neurological methods.